Hello everyone, welcome to the Knacklers workshop, and we've got a sticker board update here, and I got two stickers in today, and we'll start off with AB shop. So that's Alberto, who's in Italy, and if you look over on the screen, we've got his landing page when you go to his channel. Now, Alberto's sort of, I guess one would say, fairly new to YouTube, and his channel is really great. You know, he's a very good machinist, but he's also actually making very entertaining videos. Through our email conversation, it transpired, you know, that Alberto lives, the town he lives in Italy is a town that is pretty famous to me anyway, because it's the home of a manufacturer of cycle components called Campagnolo, and I used to race on push bikes, or was a cyclist for quite a long time, and they were my favourite brand, so you know, I thought it was great, and it transpired that Alberto did his internship there, so he could well have made some of the components I raced on. So that's a nice little bit of trivia there. He does lots of different sort of projects, but and it's very clear to see he knows what he's doing. The gear cutting and just milling, turning. He's got a lovely 𝐒𝐄𝐅𝗔𝗡𝗥 lathe, which I know he's very proud of. And yeah, it's just a thoroughly good channel. So I'd recommend everyone to go over and check Alberto out. Or AB shop out. I've got the link will obviously be in the video description. So you know, he's a very nice guy and will make you very welcome. Okay, so thanks for that, Alberto. I'll put that on the board in a minute. So next one we've got, if I can pick it up, is My Little Mule, which is Greg over in the US. Now, Greg's got a, let's switch over to his landing page. There we go. So Greg's got a nice channel. I think it's let's have a look, similar size to mine. So it's not one of the giant ones, but he does regular content, and it's good really. And I enjoy watching it. He's been doing some work on a steady rest for his South Bend lathe, and it's been really interesting watching the way he approaches things and everything. Yeah, it is very good actually, and the more I watch, the more I enjoy them. I think sometimes he underrates himself. I think he's a lot better than he actually, you know, he marks himself down. I think he's pretty good at what he's doing here. And he creates nice, enjoyable videos, which is all that we want. So, yeah. So anyway, Greg at My Little Mule is definitely one to check out, guys. So go over and say hello to him. So what I'm going to do as normal, I'm going to disappear now. I'm going to add these two to the sticker board, and then I'll just give you a final few shots of all the stickers on the sticker boards. Okay, so I'll be back in a minute. Hi everyone, so that's sticker board number 2 there, and then the top left hand corner we've got Alberto and Greg's stickers, so thanks very much for those guys. And then we can see just underneath them we got a very small space, so looks like I'll be purchasing a new sticker board in the near future. So let's flip over and have a bit of a look at sticker board number 1. So lots of nice channels there, and if we pop it in the middle you can see them all. So At the end of this video, there'll be a link to a playlist where there's a brief description of each one of these channels and a link to where you can go off and find out or to go over and say hello. So hopefully that will give you guys a few more places to hang out. So many thanks for watching. Stay happy, strong and healthy, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheerio.